Hello and welcome to NetApp KBTV. This video is based on KBID 1015489. This video demonstrates how to create a custom role for OnCommand System Manager in Cluster Data ONTAP 8.3. In this example, we will see how to create a custom role on the cluster which sets limits on volume resize operations for a user. To begin the procedure, log into the c.system and execute the command as displayed on the screen. Security login role create -v server . Since the default for this role is set to read only, this prevents any modification of the settings unless it is explicitly enabled. Now execute the command. The desired privileges beyond just read-only access are now added to the role created in the previous step. Access to the volume size command is granted. This step can be repeated as needed with additional commands that the user should be able to run. Now the new role needs to be enabled for System Manager access, and the command is now execute the command. Now set the password for the user wall resize user. Now execute the command. A new user is created and assigned to the role created in the previous steps. The user needs the HTTP application type in order to access the web interface of System Manager, and the ONTAP application type to run the API calls that System Manager uses when communicating with the cluster. A password for the user needs to be entered when the user is initially created. Now the user can log into OnCommand System Manager, view the cluster configuration, and modify the size of a volume. Now log into OnCommand System Manager using the username wall resize user. You can only view the cluster configuration and modify the size of a volume. Select storage virtual machine, under storage select volumes, select SAN test volume, resize, next. Let's say we increase by 100 MB, next, next. So the volume has been resized successfully, and we can see that the total space has been increased from 600 to 700 MB. Now select cluster, aggregates, select create. Insufficient privileges for the user wall resize user. Please note, any modification of settings except for volume size modifications will report an error message due to the insufficient privileges. We hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to NetApp KBTV for more knowledge-based videos. Thank you for watching.